Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Justina and today's video is inspired by Kendall Jenner. This is her DIY face mask and I'm going to be doing it because she says it's very moisturizing and I need moisture in my life. I live in New York City and it's very dry and cold here and my skin is very dry and flaky, especially with the use of mask. So I'm going to apply this to my face and see if it adds moisture, and I'm also going to show you how to make the mask. So if you're interested, continue watching. Just gonna apply it to the face and it feels very weird. This feels so weird to do. Oh guys, you have no idea. Oh my god, I think I got it on my pajama. Guys, it keeps falling. This is so disgusting. And it's messy. So don't wear anything you like. I feel like she put a less excessive amount than I did to try to look cute. But I am trying to be moisturized. And it is also up my nose. Okay. So my hands are dirty and I legitimately look like the Grinch and feel like the Grinch. So I'm going to leave this on to 10 to 15 minutes and see if it smooths my skin. Right now there's a slight tingle. So I've done a lot of random shit in the last 10 minutes and my skin is tingling. It doesn't feel like a bad tingle, but it is definitely tingling. And it's so weird to have this on my face. So I don't really know how I'm going to wipe it off because I thought about this. Yeah, my hand is still dirty. This will definitely get stuck in the sink. So I'm going to have to like wipe it off with a towel or some type of paper towel. And I would definitely say not to do this in your sink because it may clog it up. So guys, my face is all washed and I have nothing else on and my skin really does feel soft to the touch. So I'm really excited about that. So you have to try out this mask. If you do, let me know down below in the comment section. Or if you record it on your channel, definitely let me know. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I'm coming out with another video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.